In the last video, we created a category. Today, let's add a product to the category. First, click the Add Product button. Now, you are on the product details page. Start by entering the product name. This field is required, so don't skip it. Next, choose a category from the list. Select the category we created earlier. Then, set how the product is sold. For example, choose piece. If needed, select the unit. You can leave it empty if it's not required. Now, enter the default price. Type how much this product costs you. After that, add the barcode if the product has one. You can also enter the SKU number. Use the notes section for any extra details. This part is optional. Now, let's look at the inventory section. First is composite item. A composite item is a product made from other products. For example, a combo meal with food and a drink. If you turn this on, the system will use stock from the other items. When composite item is sold, the stock of each included item goes down. If you turn it off, the product is treated as a single item only. Next is track stock of product. If you turn this on, Alto's POS and inventory system will track how many items you have. When a product is sold, the stock number will decrease automatically. If you turn it off, the system will not track quantity. You can sell the product even if stock reaches zero. Now, let's move to business locations. Here you can choose where this product is sold. If you check this box, the item will be available in all stores. If it's unchecked, the item will not be available everywhere. Here, you can also pick a color, shape or icon, or even upload an image. That's it, your product is now added and ready to sell.